चैप्टर नंबर 1 इंट्रोडक्शन टू बायोलॉजी। फर्स्ट MCQs हमारे पास है। मेंबर ऑफ द सेम स्पीशीज लिविंग इन द सेम प्लेस एट द सेम टाइम मेक ए हैबिटेट community biosphere population. The right option is population. If a scientist is studying the method of inserting human insulin gene in bacteria, which branch of biology may this be? Anatomy, physiology, biotechnology, pharmacology. So the right option is biotechnology. Which one will be the correct sequence of the level of organization of life? So the right option is molecule, organelle, cell, tissue, organ system, individual. So C is the right option. Which of these major bioelement is the highest percentage in protoplasm? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. So the right option is oxygen. Which of the following group include organism, all of which are absorptive in their nutrition? Protists, animals, bacteria, fungi. So the right option is fungi. Similar cells organize into group and perform same function are known as a organelle, tissue, organ system. So the right option is B, tissue. Which of these tissue also make the glandular tissue an animal? Epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue. So the right option is epithelial tissue. The level of organization that is less defined in plant is a tissue level, organ system level, individual level. So the right option is organ system level. What is true about volvox? So the right option is a colonial eukaryote. ये इसका right option है C number. When we study the feeding relation among different animal species of a forest, at what level of organization we are studying? Individual, population, community, biosphere. So the right option is community. Dash knowledge is the common heritage of mankind. Scientific, Islamic, biological, none of these. So the right option is A, scientific. The example of a colonial organism is a amoeba, volvox, frog, mustard plant. So the right option is B, volvox. The example of a micromolecule, starch, protein, fats, water. So the right option is water. Microscopic study of tissue is called physiology, morphology, histology, anatomy. So the right option is histology. Which one is a major biological issue today? Infectious disease, addictive drugs, environmental pollution, none of these. So the right option is all of these. Organism of a species living in particular habitat at a particular time called population, community, individual, none of these. So the right option is population. Study of insect is called immunology, entomology, genetics, ecology. So the right option is entomology. Water makes dash of the composition of protoplasm of all living things. So the right option is 60 to 70%. The number of bioelement is 92, 6, 16, 10. So the right option is 16. How much nitrogen is present in making body mass of a living organism? 10%, 3%, 1%, 18%. So the right option is 3%. Which of the following are supporting tissue in animal? Nervous, epithelial, muscular, connective. So the right option is connective tissue. The author of Al-Qanun fil Tiba is Jabir bin Hayyan, Abdul Malik Asmai, Bu Ali Sina, none. So the right option is C, Bu Ali Sina. Which of the following is not a unicellular organism? Amoeba, paramecium, frog, euglena. So the right option is frog. Which one are not a vegetative organ? Root, stems, leaves, flower. So the right option is flower. A scientific name of frog is Rana tigrana, Rosa indica, Rana terrana, Brassica campestris. So the right option is A. Forest community is an example of community, simple, complex, coordinated, none. So the right option is B, complex. The study of internal structure is called anatomy, histology, entomology, taxonomy. So the right option is anatomy. As a bioelement, the percentage of carbon is तो ये 18% है. Biology is a words of which language? Latin, Arabic, Greek, English. So the right option is Greek. The reproductive part of plant is the stem, leaves, root, flower. So the right option is the flower. Stomach is an example of organ level. Thank you for watching this interesting video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.